In this video, I will show you how to log in into Amazon Alexa without using an app. It's very simple. Let's start. Go to your Google Chrome. Just in your Google type in Alexa browser, and then the first page which says alexa.amazon.com opens. Select that. Put your email here and your password and press sign in. Here it is. Now we have entered into the Alexa app from a browser. Now playing. If you go there, you can see what you can ask Alexa to do for you. Now if you go to the settings, you can see what devices are connected, and you can set up a new device here. To set up a new device, just click on set up a new device. Then you have to choose which device you want to connect to. There are a lot of them to choose from. Here we go. That was my intro into accessing Alexa without using an app and from a browser. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video.